In this quick video, I show you how I fixed my key fob for less than 10 bucks. As you can see, my key fob broke and would no longer stay on my keychain. So I figured I could just use the key. And the key would unlock the door, but it would always set off the alarm. And I would have to put the key in the ignition and turn it to the on position 3 times pretty rapidly for the alarm to go off. Since I did not want to disable the alarm system, the only way to get in the car without the alarm going off would be to put it in valet mode. And I didn't want to do that either. So I searched for a new key fob. So as I was looking for a new key fob, I came across this site that would sell just the case. Now, my key fob still works, it just won't stay on the key ring anymore. So I ordered this case. So let's take a look at it. So it's similar size and shape to the original one, but it does have a bit of a texture. Oh, this one is smooth. Yeah, I mean, it looks a lot like the old one. Anyway, let's see. So it comes with a little key ring, the blue button, and the orange button. So I think the way this works is the orange button lives here, the blue button lives here, and you put it together like that. Bam, now they look a lot alike. What it doesn't come with is this sticker with instructions on it, but I think it'll work. So all I have to do is take the circuit board out of the old one and put it into the new case. And I think all I gotta do is take that Phillips out. Let's see, does it come apart now? It does. So that's what the inside of the older Subaru key fob looks like. For little stuff like this, I have this iFixit kit, very useful, because in a regular toolbox, I do not have a screwdriver small enough to get to these little screws. So let's take this board out. It is just a really tiny Phillips. All right, so that should let me pull the board out, and it does. There you go. There's the old pad and buttons. So hopefully I can just place this right on top of the new one and keep rolling. And it feels like the plastic, like these are just, self-tapping plastic screws. I think the plastic is just smooth, so you gotta kind of work it in until the threads bite. And then when it stops. Don't want to force it, because you can just tighten these down and completely strip the plastic. So that's the old broken one, and this is the new one. If I didn't turn this around, you'd think it was an OEM Subaru key fob. Looks pretty good. And just because I like to keep old stuff, because you never know, I'm gonna reassemble this and throw it into a bin. Sometimes I think I'm a hoarder with certain things, but then that hoarding saves me an hour down the line. I don't know how this could save me, but only the future knows. And then of course, could throw this on. Dadgummit, it would have been easier to put this on before. Yeah, I just unscrewed this top one and it gives you enough space to slip it in. All right, and it's that simple. Now I expect this to work just fine. And it does. Unlock. Lock. All right, we back in business. Now I don't know how important this serial number is right here, but that's a reason to keep this just in case I have to reprogram it at some point. Because I didn't check the board to see if there was any identifying marks. You know, it'd be cool to take this sticker off and put it on here, but I may try reproducing it and putting it on here. I think that is possible. I'm glad I found a cheap solution, but even if I did need a whole new key fob, the same website sells one for under 40 bucks. I'll put a link in the description. This video was quick, but I document every issue I encounter with all of my cars. I have a 95 Civic, a 99 Golf, an 89 K1500, and this 04 WRX. I have a playlist dedicated to each one. So if you're into cars, pop over to my channel, check it out. Thanks for watching. Take care.